Hello guys, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put your own transitions into Final Cut Pro. Before I show you guys that, I'm going to be telling you guys subscribe and thumbs up this video, and go follow on my social medias. Go follow it, and it in the screen right there, and I'll be showing you right. If you go follow them, I show before I upload and what I'm re-uploading. And so yeah, go follow those. I mean, it's gonna mean a lot to me. And so let's get right into the video. I have two Finder things open here, and then I have my transitions here. And then over here you go to movies. First you go to over here, up here. Oh, my screeners. So on the top where the apple is, you go more over there where it says go next to view and next to windows. Go click it, then click home, and then it'll go here. It'll go send you here. Click movies, then you have some options. Click motion templates, and then if you guys don't have any, you guys can create a new folder. You guys have to spell it right. We'll put capital. You can put transitions, and then no space, enter. You click info, and you put dot localized. So you put that. I'm not gonna make another one. You do that on these effects. You just go, you do it, get info, and then it goes dot localized. And if it changes the name right here, that means you like spelled it wrong, or you didn't click enter right when you did it. Then you click it. I already got some in here. So this one right here, get it and just drag it in, bam, and then on the Final Cut Pro you have to restart it, not restart it, like just go and just like quit Final Cut, but I'm not gonna do it right now because I have it right here. Okay, my light just turned off. So bad lighting because my light just turned off. Okay, so I already got it here. It's supposed to say it, so I got transitions free. Got this one right here. Then you can go like this, or like right here, little preview, and it goes like that, and then to another one. So I'll show you guys an example right now. It's in my channel right now if you guys didn't watch it yet. So, and I got another one. This one's really cool. To get him, go to this guy's YouTube channel or you go to Google Chrome, open it up and put Ryan Nangle. He makes cool transitions, and then you just go click one of his videos, doesn't really matter, then go down here, then it goes right to, there's a link, you click his link, and it goes to the selfie, his. They cost money, but if you go down and go to second page, they're mostly free. So you go down and then they're $0. So if you want to get like, let's do the do any. So I'm just gonna go for this pixel one. It gives you a video too for you to see how it looks before it does it. So let's just watch it really quick. Okay, that's a little example. And right here is, you don't really have to like pay or put your credit card in. You click this, and then it shows you like a little bundle of like cost money. Under add cart, it says no thanks. Click no thanks, and then you put this one off and put I agree. Right here you just put your Gmail, just put your state. I'm just gonna put a random one, and then that's all you have to do. It says total $0. Continue. And it says it goes to your Gmail. Let me just go to my Gmail, but I'm what's called cut this part out. So I'll see you right when I download it. Okay, now I sent you to here. Right in your email, it shows you click the thing. It says right there download. It sends you to this page right here. This is the thing you purchased, and then it says download. Click download. Then from the bottom over here, it says what you downloaded. Click it. And it says right here, and then you just right here. So you just go here. Let me just make a So you go here. There's okay, this one, if you see some, you have to look through them before you put them in. So you scissor here. If it only shows pictures like this and just pictures, that means it won't work. It has to have like a kind of like a video. So like, let me show you an example. So let me go to here, and then you go to, let me just do overlays. And you see right here, it's a video. So you see, it just goes like that. It has to show this, or else it won't work. Because if you put it in, it won't work because it needs transition. So try to find one that will work. So you put that in. That's it, and then you put it here, restart, quit, and then that's cool. That's it. So for this one, I'm gonna show you a little example. So let me go up here. So let me show you a little preview of it. Let me just show you the beginning with the music. So if you put music, it'll sound a lot better. If you have no music, it's just gonna looks cool, but it just looks, it's kind of boring. So if you add some music, it's gonna sound like this. Want to watch the full video? Go to my YouTube channel. The video right before this was this one. It's called commercial promo example. So go watch that. Get some tips. Yeah. Next video, I'm gonna show you guys some tips how to make this dope and find good music, but it has to be non-copyrighted if you're making it for commercial. So it has to be if it's copyrighted, you won't allow. So I'll see you next time. Peace.